Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to go to the gym and today is when I'm finally going to film one of my killer legs day routine with my trainer for you guys. And I'm gonna touch on supplements that I'm currently taking, to help me to get through the gym, help me to keep muscle mass, help me to build muscle mass, stuff like that. So right now I'm in my kitchen, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you all the vitamins that I'm currently taking and supplements. So let's go. So currently the first thing I drink in the mornings before anything, I have apple cider vinegar and water. All right, I have these two. I have like two corks of the apple cider vinegar, Bragg's to be specific, no other kind, with the mother, with my water. They say it helps to decrease belly fat or whatever. I feel like it has to do with the mind a lot because I feel like it helps me with bloating. That I will not deny. I feel like it helps me with bloating. It give me a kickstart. Like I can feel a zing when I drink it, and as I said, it helps me with bloating. So I try my best to drink this every morning, even if I don't continue to drink it throughout the day, because when I can, I drink it before every meal, you know, like 20 minutes before I eat anything. I'll drink it and I'll take my vitamins with it as well. Now what I have here, I have fish oil, I have vitamin C tablet, I have Opti-Women, this right here, I have CLA soft gel 1. So I have to take 2 of the Opti-Women capsule, and I have to take 1 of the CLA. And this is a B complex tablet. I'll take iron tablets as well, but I only take that once a week because that's really strong for me. So I only take that once a week. And then, so those are the vitamins that I'm having. So yeah, guys, it's kind of a struggle. My lighting is not the best, but I'm trying. So I'm just taking everything here. Drinking that. The next thing I have here is my Fitness Junkies JA bottle. Shout out to Fitness Junkies. I get like all my supplements from Fitness Junkies JA, all of them. So right now, what I'm going to be mixing up in this bottle is my glutamine powder and my aminoline. So what my glutamine powder is good for is to help to keep my muscle. My aminoline is awesome for keeping the muscles as well and enduring throughout my workout. This really helps me. This is the RSP brand. Shout out to RSP, and it's a complete energy booster. I used to take pre-workout, but I had to ease up off that. It makes me feel mad. It's not really trouble with itching. It used to when I just started to take it, but after a while it just made me feel mad. It not even give me the energy again. It just made me feel paranoid. I want to sit down. I feel crazy. Yeah, I'm not messing with pre-workouts. I have a whole bottle in the fridge and I don't touch it. But yeah, so this and ice water is what I mix up in that bottle. Top off, so this is my other supplement that I take every day. So this is my RSP whey protein, and it has 27 grams of protein. The serving size is 1 scoop, as you can see. It contains 42 grams of protein. All right, so this is the cookies and creams flavor. So I usually drink this or the vanilla. Vanilla is my favorite. Love the vanilla. Cookies and cream, it's okay, it's nice, it's still nice, but I usually blend it up with like banana and stuff. That's if I'm having it as a meal replacement. You guys are always asking me about it because like I use this to gain mass. gain mass. And I say, do not drink this stuff if you're not working out, guys. You're gonna just accumulate fat, honestly. So right now I'm actually going to eat my first meal of the day, which will be breakfast. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm having. Very, very simple, very, very simple. This is what I'm having for breakfast, okay? Just simple, plain and simple, and tuna chunks. And this was chunks in water, never chunks in oil, all right? Chunks in water, and I sprinkled some red peppers on it. That is it. I didn't cook it up or anything. I just drained it dry. So we got off the excessive water, and I sprinkled pepper on it. And I eat it like this just to cut to the chase. Make sure, guys, when you take a vitamin, to always eat, all right? Can't stress on that enough. Eat food, please, because it's very important. You go to the gym and drop down, you won't have any energy. You cannot just work off the vitamins alone. So be sure to do that. All right, so I'm gonna eat this right now and get to the gym. So it's legs day, and I threw in just a tad of upper body and abs at the very end of it, but I'm starting off with some sumo squats. You know, I have my toes pointed out. I have this 60-pound dumbbell. I did 15 reps of this, 3 sets, 15 reps, and I just really tried to focus on keeping my core tight, going as low as I could. That's the reason why I'm standing on these 2 things here, to help with my depth. And as you could see, my trainer was standing up because him not play when him say a 15, like you can't teeth it. So I jumped on into some deadlifts with 2 40-pound dumbbells, and I just really focused on when I lowered my upper body to keep my head up so that I could really feel this in my hamstrings. I did like 10 to 15 reps of this, and as I said, I just focused on going down, feeling it in my hamstrings and squeezing on the way up so I could keep my glutes activated. So here he was just showing me what exactly to do, and it was, I don't even remember the name of what he called this, but it's basically me stepping over this box, keeping my core tight and holding up this 25-pound weight. So I did this like 15 reps on both legs. I was blown out and I went straight into squatting afterwards. I was doing some box squat. I had 2 45 plates on either side with this 45-pound bar. These really burn the quads, and this is very much quad focus. You have to keep your core tight. I know some people might be like, oh, be careful. I've been doing them for a while. You know, I definitely would not be doing them if I could not manage. So yeah, after that I went down. I kind of started off really heavy and then tapered it down. So now I was just using 1 45-pound weight on either side. I did 10 reps of that, and then for this I believe I went up to like 15 reps. I was using 25-pound weights on either side, and I went really low with this. So yeah, I could really just feel the burn. Yeah. I then drank some of my amino lean and went straight into these leg presses with this. I had 4 45 pounds on either side of the leg press machine. Guys, I know some of you are gonna be like, Sue, stop locking your knee. I did not. I do not lock my knees. I know like the snap right there looks as if I'm locking it. I'm definitely not locking it. It's just like the motion. Trust me, I promise you guys, I'm not locking my knees. I try my best to bring my knees down as far, like almost to my chest. And for some of the sets, you'll see where I actually held my knee, and I try my best to not get to do this. But when I really want that depth, I hold my knee. I did 3 sets of this with 10 reps of 3 sets. And I really just try, when I'm doing this, it's really about mind and muscle contact. Like wherever you're working, just think about it and squeeze and try your best to endure. And that's all I was doing here, like mind and muscle contact. So after doing 3 sets of this, I pretty much moved on into, I was done with the legs portion right there. Basically I just did a little bit of upper body. I was doing some lat pull downs on the lat pull down machine. I did 10 reps of this. I was just as I said, mind and muscle, really squeezing on the way down. And then I alternated this with some of the pull down, like ab pull down crunches. So I really just, for this it might look like I'm using, like I'm focusing the movement on my arm, but trust me, it's really my abs, my core that I'm using to pull myself down. And I did this with the same weight I did the lat pull down with, which was like at 50 pounds. I really felt this, really felt it. And to do a little ab burnout, my trainer and I went up and we did like this, he calls it windshield wiper abs. So this is what we were doing. As you can see, we were doing 2 different variations at first until he bent his knee as well, and we did this until failure basically, and that was killer. After doing that, I pretty much just finish off the workout with cardio on the bicycle. And yeah, I always, most days, well, since recently, I end my workouts with my cardio, which will go from anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes. This is helping me to just lean out more. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's leg workout, which was more quad focused, a little bit of upper body and some abs. Let me know if you guys liked it, and let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you want to see more workouts. So let's continue with the video. Guys, so I just got back home. It's been hours since I've been to the gym, but I got fresh and went on the road immediately after the gym. So I've been so busy. This day has been so crazy, but I just came back to pretty much just wrap up this video. This portion is very much like vlog style, but I've been yeah, I did not get much more into the whole eating portion of things with this video, because that would be for a whole different video in terms of full what I eat in a day. Yeah, this is very new and very new kind of content for me to bring here. I've only done like 2 fitness related videos so far, and I need to touch back on my whole carnival series. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys, and stay tuned. I really hope I'm not boring you guys with this. I really hope so. But you guys, a lot of comments came in like, yes, do the video. So here, this was just one of my leg routines. And guys, thank you so much for helping me to hit 400k. Like, it's a blessing. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Like, I've been coming from like 20 subscribers. Like, that's crazy. 20. I recently did a radio interview, and it was just speaking on all of that. By the way, if you're watching this, that radio interview will be on Nationwide. If you're in Jamaica, Nationwide, on the talk show The Creatives. It will be aired at 10 a.m. this Sunday, so you guys can check that out and just hear a bit of how that interview went. So, and I'm also doing a giveaway on that interview, so you need to tune in and hear what that giveaway is. Alright, so yes, I'll see you guys in my next video, and just stay tuned. I'm gonna big up on myself.